You're watching Faheem Shaheen English Practice. Welcome back to my new video. Today I'm telling you about my daily routine. Step by step English speaking practice. Hello learners, in this video we will practice simple daily routine sentences from morning to night. Listen carefully, repeat after me and speak clearly. Let's begin. Morning routine. I wake up at 6 o'clock. I get off bed slowly. I make my bed neatly. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a quick shower. I get dressed for the day. I comb my hair. Daytime routine. I go to school. I study my lessons. I focus on one task at a time. I ask questions and take notes. I take a short break to relax. I eat my lunch and drink water. I continue my work with energy. I finish my tasks and go home. Afternoon and evening routine. I wash my hands and face. I rest for a few minutes. I eat a light snack. I spend time on my hobby. I help with simple chores. I do my homework and review. I talk with my family. I eat dinner with my family. Night routine. I relaxed without my phone. I read a few pages. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I set my alarm. I feel thankful for today. I go to bed early. Quick drill. Wake up, get dressed, go to school, take a break. Eat lunch, come home, do homework. Eat dinner, read, sleep. Useful time phrases. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, at night, at 6 o'clock, every day. Pattern practice. I usually etch. I always dash in the morning. I sometimes chat after school. I never dash at night. Final lines. Great work. Repeat this sentence every day to build fluency and confidence. Like, share, and subscribe for more simple English lessons. Thank you for learning with me.